Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sri Wahyuni, and right now I'm going to explain about how to construct a frequency distribution. So right here there is the raw data of 80 students' statistical test scores. So the first process that we need to do is to find the range. So the range is the difference between the highest data value and the smallest data value. So right here, the highest data value is 99 and the smallest data value is 35. So 99 minus 35 equals 64. And then many classes. So how to find the many classes? We use the Sturge's rule, which is 1 plus 3.3 log n. So n right here means a sample size, or how many data we have right here, which is 80. So log 80 is 1.9. So after we total all of this, we can find 7.27. After that, we need to round up this 7.27 to the nearest the whole number, so it becomes 8 right here. And then we need to find the class width. So how to find the class width is range divided by many classes. So the range is 64 and many classes is 7.27. So it becomes 64 divided by 7.27 equals 8.80. So again, we need to round it up to the nearest the whole number, so it becomes 9 right here. We need to keep in mind that class width is 9 and the many class is 8. Alright, so right here the table of frequency distribution. So the first column is class intervals. So this is actually from the smallest data value. So because the class width is 9, so it becomes like 35. It becomes like 35, 36, 37 until times 9. We can find 43. Okay, and also there is, and also many classes is 8, so there are 8 class interval right here. And also the next column is class boundaries. So what is class boundaries from? So this is actually from this side. In the left side is actually from in this left side minus 0.5. So for example, right here, 35 minus 0.5 equals 34.5, right? And in this right side, we need to it's actually from this side, uh, plus 0.5. So for example, right here, 5 of 52 plus 0.5 equals 52.5, right? So next, main point. How to find the main point is right here. Lower class limit plus upper class limit divided by 2. Okay, so the lower class limit. So for example, right here, 34.5 plus 43.5, which is 78, and then divided by 2 equals right here 39. Okay, and then next is the column of frequency right here. So this frequency, it means that right here there are 3 data value that land between uh, a first interval. I mean, like that land between this 35 to 43. All right. So next is this the distribution table of relative frequency. So how to find the relative frequency? Right here. Relative frequency is frequency divided by n times 100%. So f right here is frequency and n is how many data we have. So for example, 3 divided by 80 times 100% equals 3.75. Okay. Next, the table of cumulative frequency less than. So how to understand this table is actually right here. 3. It means that there are 3 data value less than 43.5 class limits. Alright? And then how to find the percent frequency is like this. For example, 6 divided by 80 times 100%. So the way is just the same like before. Alright, so 6 divided by 80 times 100% equals 7.5. Alright, and also we have right here the table of cumulative frequency more than, which is just the same as before, but this is more than, which is means that there are 80 data values more than 34.5 class limits. And also how to find the percent frequency is the same like before, like 80 divided by 80 times 100%, so it becomes 100%, 100 right here. And then next, right here there is a polygon and has histogram. So yeah, this is the histogram and polygon of that raw data value. And yeah, that's all about my explanation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.